I'm Gideon. I'm Dental Product Manager at Formlabs, and here at LMT Chicago, we're really excited to be showing off this, which is the Form Cell. It's the first commercialized automated 3D printing solution, and so it's all about scaling up 3D printing operations for dental labs of any size, driving down the per-part costs, making that streamlined manufacturing possible so that we can enable 24/7 lights-out manufacturing on the Form 2. The other thing that's really exciting about it is it's built on our Form 2 printer platform, so you can see those right there. That's proven itself to be the most reliable, easy-to-use 3D printer out on the market. It's been a huge part of why we've grown a lot in the dental industry. We've seen people make over 1 million parts, just our dental users themselves. They've done over 100,000 surgeries with dental history printed guides, and so we're excited about both showing off the Form 2 again and showing out the next stage of digital manufacturing, which for us means automation with the Form Cell.
Right here.